Are you someone who is struggling to get a credit card because your credit score is bad, or you are a beginner and you do not have a credit history? You don't have to worry. I am here with a solution. The solution is called FD Bad Credit Cards. So I'm going to talk about a very new product in the market which you can get online and instantly without too much of hassle. So we are going to talk about it today, and you have to stay tuned because I'm going to introduce the card. I'm going to tell you about the different features of the card. I'm going to tell you about the FD that you need to do for the card. I'm going to tell you about the eligibility of the card and the step-by-step process of getting the card. Okay, so let's start. Let me first talk about the card, right? The card is called the Magnet Credit Card, which is backed by FD in SBM Bank. So what do you need to do? You need to create an FD of minimum 5,000 rupees and a maximum of 25,000 rupees. So let us first talk about the benefits of the FD. Okay, so when you make a FD of minimum 5,000 rupees and a maximum of 25,000 rupees, you will get up to 90% limit of the FD amount. So let us take an example. Okay, so for example, if you make an FD of 10,000 rupees, 90% of 10,000 is 9,000 rupees. So your credit limit on the card is going to be 9,000 rupees. You can get as much as 7% interest on the fixed deposit. Okay, so every year your FD will also earn 7% interest. So if you have made a FD of 10,000 rupees, you will also be earning 700 rupees every year. Okay, so this is another added benefit on this card. Then these FDs are very safe and secure. Why? Because not only you are keeping these FDs in a bank, okay, again which is regulated by the RBI, all the money in any bank account or in any FD, right, be it SBM Bank or any other bank for that matter, be it could be HDFC, ICICI or any other bank, right, your money is secured by DICGC up to 5 lakh rupees. So there is an insurance for every bank account holder up to 5 lakh rupees. So in case something happens to the bank, your money is safe because the DICGC is a RBI regulated institution which will make good your loss. So there is no risk of loss at all here. All right. So now coming to the features of the card. The card is very simple, right? There is no joining fee or there is no renewal fee, and you can get the card instantly on an app. So we are going to also talk about the step-by-step process of getting the card as well. Apart from this, the eligibility on the card is also very easy. You don't really have to be making a lot of money, right? You need to be a resident Indian with a PAN number and minimum of 18 years of age. So you don't even need to have a job to get this card, okay? So you can get this card without even having a job. So all you need to do is make a fixed deposit. Now I'm going to share the step-by-step process of getting this card. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to find an Android phone. I'm sure you're watching it on an Android phone. Go to the Google Play Store and download the Z Money app. I'm also sharing the link in the description box below so that you don't have to do the hard work of searching for the app. So go to the link in the description box below and click on it. The app will open. All you have to do is download the app and start signing up on the app. Once you sign up on the app, on this app you can not only apply for the Magnet credit card, you can apply for many other credit cards as well. The first step is to download the Z app and sign up on the app. You will need to enter your mobile number and verify with an OTP. Once you have done that, you will need to provide your basic details like name, email address and date of birth and your employment details. The step 2 is to select the Magnet credit card on the home screen. You will see many cards on this screen, and like I said, you can apply for many of these cards, but you have to select the Magnet credit card to apply for this card. The step 3 is make an application, and step 4 is to choose the plan and check your eligibility. So you can select the amount that you wish to make as a fixed deposit and then click on check eligibility. Once you have done this step, you move on to the step 5, which is filling your basic details like PAN number, date of birth, mother's name, email address, marital status, and then click on confirm, after also reading the terms and conditions carefully and clicking on agree and continue. Then step 6 is the Aadhaar-based OTP verification. You have to complete this to move on to the next step. After this, you verify your bank account and complete the payment. This payment is basically the payment towards the fixed deposit that you are making. Step 8 is completing your video KYC. And once you have completed the step 8, you move on to the step 9, which is personalizing your credit card. You can select a name from the multiple options that you will be given to print on the card, and then you click on confirm. You can also enable transactions to start using the card online. And once you have confirmed the OTP, your card will be ready and sent to you. Right. So you start using this card, and within a few weeks and few months you will see that your credit score starts improving, right? When I say you start using your card, it does not mean that you use the card and do not make the payment, right? You have to make the payment within the stipulated due date in full. Do not never make the payment of the minimum due amount, because that means nothing, right? You have to make the payment in full to make to make sure that your credit score continues to improve. So keep doing that every month on month, and in a few months you will start seeing your credit score improve, boss. But make sure that you don't default on your credit card outstanding, because your FD will be liquidated in that case, and the money will be used to pay off the credit card bill, and the balance money will be returned to you. So you have to 100% make sure that you are keeping your FD safe and making all the payments on time. All right. So if you have any questions, do not feel free to drop me a question in the comments box as usual, right? Let us start a discussion about this card. If there are any other good cards in the market which are FD backed cards, and you get better rate of returns, why don't you let me know in the comment section below? Maybe I'll do a video on those cards as well, right? So happy to discuss with you. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. Thank you for watching so much.